build web app with ChatGPT and publish it for free. So this is the web app that I built right inside ChatGPT. So as you can see, this is the link to my web app. I also have the option to simply come in and click on preview to preview the web app. And as you can see, this is it. Okay. One amazing aspect of it is that it is hosted for completely free. Okay. So as you can see, on a free web hosting, and I can share it with anybody that I prefer. Okay. So let me show you step by step how you can do the exact same thing. Simply go to Google and then come and type in ChatGPT and then hit enter. Once it comes, come and select the official site of ChatGPT. By clicking on it, it's going to bring you right here to ChatGPT. And all that you have to do is to simply come here to where we have this. Okay, when you put the mouse on it, as you can see, it says open sidebar. Come and click on it. So it will show all these sidebar options just like this. Come and then put the mouse on the more and then come and click on it. Okay, so when you click on it, this will show up. Okay, simply come and then click on the site. And it's going to open just like this. As you can see, I don't have any site built already. So all that you have to do is simply come in and click on create site. So when you click on it, it's going to show up just like this. And all that you have to do is simply come in and give it the prompt to build your web app. So let me show you where to get the prompt. I have a link in the video description. Click on it, it's going to bring it right here. And over here, come here to where it says that is build web app with ChatGPT. Prompt starts here. Come and then put the mouse at the top, highlight it from the top to the button. Okay, just like this. Then come and put the mouse on it, right? Click on it, okay, and then simply come and then click on copy to copy it. After copying it, simply open Notepad and then come and paste in the prompt just like this, okay. So after that, over here, the web app name, simply come and then highlight here and then come and write your web app name, okay. And then after that, simply come here to what the web app does and then come and then highlight what is in this. Then come and describe in short sentence what the web app does. And that is it. Simply highlight the whole prompt. Then come and put the mouse on it. Come and then right click on it and come and click on copy. Okay, the copying it, come back to ChatGPT and come and paste in the prompt just like this. Okay, so after pasting it, simply come here to where you have send prompt and come and click on it, and that is it. ChatGPT is going to receive your prompt and then build the web app for you. So over here, you have to come and then allow it. Okay, so what that you have to do is to simply come here to where we have allow for this chat and come and click on it, and that is it. ChatGPT is going to build your web app for you. As you can see, it has done it, it has built it, and this is the live URL. Okay, so you can simply come here and come and click on the preview, or you can get it from where we have the more here and then come and click on the more, and over here simply come here to the site and click on it. As you can see, we have our web app built right here. So over here, as you can see, it is you only that can see it, okay? So you have the option to simply come and then edit, share, or come and click on these three dots and then come and click on open site. So when you click on open site, over here, you have to come and then continue with ChatGPT by clicking on continue with ChatGPT. And over here, you have to come and then connect ChatGPT to the site by simply clicking on continue. And that is it. Your web app is going to show up just like this. So I can test it for you to see. It's a birthday calculator app. All that I have to do is simply select my date of birth or any date of birth. So I'm going to select a random date of birth just like this. And all that I have to do is simply come here and then come and click on calculate my birthday. Okay, and that is it. It's going to show you the day that you were born and then how old you are. So it is hosted on a free web hosting. As you can see, this is the URL. Okay, so if you want to use your own domain name, custom domain name, all that you have to do is simply come here to the three dots and then come and click on it and come here to the settings and come and click on it. Over here, you see that where we have the domain, okay, you have the option to simply come and then click on add domain. So when you click on add domain, you can add your own custom domain name. So let me go to back, and over here, let me show you how to share it. Okay, so you can simply share it by simply coming to click on share. And over here, as you can see, it is only you. So you click on the down arrow and then come and select anyone with the link. So when you select anyone with the link, all that you have to do is to simply come here to where we have the save and come and click on the save. And that is it. You have the option to come and copy the link, okay, by simply coming to click on copy link, and then you can simply share it anybody, okay, and then you can come and click on the close. Okay, so let's test it on our phone. All that you have to do is simply come in and open Chrome. Okay, tap on it to open it, and then from Google search bar, simply paste in the URL. So after pasting it, you just hit enter, and it's going to open the web app that you have successfully built for completely free using ChatGPT. And as you can see, it's working perfectly fine. So let me test it for you to see by selecting a date. Okay, I'm going to pick a random date and then tap on set. And all that I have to do is simply come and then tap on calculate my birthday, and that is it. The app is working perfectly fine. Okay, so this is actually the easiest and simplest way to build web app and host it for completely free without actually paying for anything. Like the video and then see you in my next video.